It's time to get your Instagram camera effects and filters back in action. Today, I'll show you how to fix your Instagram camera effects and filters when they don't work. And the first thing I'd suggest is figuring out what exact filters you're using when you're using stock Instagram filters. You should really not have too many problems. Although if you're using a filter that has been created by someone else, a few of these filters can sometimes be removed in the back end. And if you attempt to use one of them, it may not function properly. Now, if that's the issue, simply tap out of Instagram and then go into the Play Store or App Store. You'll want to ensure your Instagram app is up to date. To do this, tap on the top search bar and type in Instagram. The very first button to the right of Instagram will either say Open or Update. If that says Open, it indicates your app is already completely up to date. If it shows Update, it means you need to update your Instagram app. The second thing we can do is clear the app data. So let's go to our settings and scroll all the way down to where it says Apps. Press on it, and then touch the top search bar and type in Instagram. Tap on it, then select Storage. It now gives the option to clear app data. So go ahead and clear the data from your Instagram app. So last thing you could do to fix your filters and effects would be clear out your device memory and remove stuff on your device to free up space, because filters and effects require memory and RAM to run smoothly. So that would be final thing you can do. I think one of these tips will help you out. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.